So in today's video, we're gonna have a quick market recap on what happened today on US 30. Man, US 30, I can't lie to you, she's a whore today. She was a real whore today. She was a whore.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
And I took 2 L's today, but I want to just have a quick market recap on just what happened in the markets today. What actually happened?
What do you mean by that?
Why did I take 2 L's, or why do I believe I took 2 L's, and what I could have done differently, or maybe just a learning experience for you, just a learning opportunity for you. But without further ado, let's get right into the market recap. So minimize me. Then we're gonna get right on to 30. So I'm gonna show you what 30 looks like when I started out the day. This is what 30 looks like, right? I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of all the chart markups too. I forgot how to do that. I forgot how to get rid of all the chart markups. I'm gonna just remove them. But for right now, this is it. This is what 30 looked like when we started off the day. Looked like it was going down, right? It looked like a bearish trend for the most part. It looked like sales. It looks just like bearish. Cool. That's what it looked like, right? This is what it looked like. Let's put back the drawings on. That's what it looked like, as I said. Right? Get rid of the bar replay too. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see already, 30 is starting to go bullish. Crazy, right? 30 had no clear direction at all today. There was minimal clear direction. Like, I had the hardest time reading what 30 wanted to do today. Honest truth. So if I show you guys, this is what the trend looked like. All right, this is the trend. It made a low, made a high, made a low, made a high, made a low, right? But this is before 9:30. But say we made a low right there. I was looking for sales primarily. Going to 30, I was looking for sales. Definitely wanted to see sales. Everything was pointing in the direction of sales until right around 9:30. Let's go to right around 9:30. Boom, 9:30. What does 30 do? Boom, it had a big sell. This is the 9:30 candle. 9:31 candle. Wow. So he's like, all right, cool. Sells it is. 30 started pulling back. Like, at this point, now I'm like, damn, this retracement is kind of, this retracement is kind of doing it. It's looking bullish at this point. Then it started to push back up again, having another drop again that looked bearish. All right, so from this area right here, I could have took this trade, but I was like, I'm going to be patient. I could have took this trade, break even at a 1-to-1. Possible, definitely possible. Like, I could have easily took something like this. I just wanted to be patient, so I could have had a break even trade for, say, like, I could have even had a break even trade, break even day, if anything, right? Then guess what 30 did? 30 started dropping again and made a new low. Cool. As I said, I could have took this trade right here, but look what happens next. Price came back. It would have stopped me break even, right? But it would have came up now. Now it looks like it's going bullish. Boom. It went higher than this high. You're going to see. This is, I believe, there you go. So you see right here where price goes higher than this high. So it looks like structure has been broken. Right? Because you could, as you can see, this is structure. Price came down, made a low, made a high, made a low. Looked like it was going bearish. Broke the structure point right here. Came back down. When it came back down here, I'm like, oh snap, it could definitely go longs now. So this is where my mistake was. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna set up a trade idea that looks like this to try to take 30 back up from here. This is where I seen that markets decided it wanted to go long, because it came and broke this candle with this bullish engulfing candle. So now I'm like, all right, cool, do that, retest, have another pushback up. That's what I thought. 30 said nope, and then dropped hard too. Dropped very hard. So I'm like, all right, that's the L that I took on this trade. I took that trade, took an L. Now here's where the annoying part comes. All right, 30 did all that movement, thinking it's gonna keep going lower. This is where it starts to go back up. Look at 30, it's starting to climb the ladder to go back up. It's like, yo, bro. It did all of this. Did all of this just to come back up. Stop me out. Made some structure. Came back up. Started taking out the highs again. Right? At this point, I was already off the charts, because I'm like, I can't with 30. Literally, I can't with 30, because I don't even know what it wants to do today. There was no really clear indication on what I thought price could have been doing for the day. So for me, what I can say I learned from the day, just off like the markets, I would say, let me redraw that. At this point where I said I was looking for buys, I should have waited for another confirmation, maybe like a confirmation from like right here. Maybe I should have waited for like something that looks like this. When we broke the highs, right? I should have waited for a pullback, and then it took another high out, like another bearish engulfing candle, made another bullish engulfing candle, and then boom. That's what I should have been waiting for. I was definitely hasty on taking the trades to the upside, because I was like, okay, it broke structure. It definitely might want to just continue going buys, but I'm not gonna lie. As of March, most of March was a pretty tough market condition. Maybe it was just a me thing, but obviously I make mistakes. Like, I can say all of this, but when the charts is live, when the market is fully active, like when the market is live, being able to see all of this and having the clarity, like 20/20 vision. They always say 20/20 vision. You always have 20/20 vision when you're looking hindsight. When you're looking back at something that already happened, it looked like, oh my God, this is clear as day. But when it's happening, real life, real time, right there, then and there, it's really tough to see what is happening, or how to catch the trade, or what you should be doing, or what the market is currently doing at that point. But when it was happening real time, I couldn't have seen it. It is what it is. It's tough. But L day for the day, definitely took a loss of $600, $680 for the day. It is what it is. I'll be back tomorrow though. But that is my market recap. If you learned anything, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think I should have done. What would you have done different? Do you see a trade idea that you and I might have taken? Like, did you even win today? Today is April 1st, which is April Fools, and definitely the market April Fools me. But what would you have done differently? If you had the chance, what would you have done differently? Definitely April Fools me. I'm not gonna lie to you.